It's called Rain-X, and it's a de-icer. Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. Today guys, what I'm going to show you today, this video is going to be mainly for our for women. Today I'm going to show you guys how to put windshield wiper fluid in your car. Alright, so first you're going to pop your hood, and when you pop your hood, you're going to find that you got a whole lot of things that's going on in your underneath your hood. Like for instance, I don't know how this piece of bread got up under my hood. No idea. And we also have a bunch of leaves. As you can see, what I did, guys, I put on a pair of gloves, which is good because under your hood you'll find a whole bunch of oil, and it'll be all over your fingers if you don't put on gloves. So that's the first thing I did, was put on a pair of gloves and clean out all the debris that is in the car. And see, as you can see, there's a whole bunch of leaves, and you want to take those out. Whenever you see clogging up stuff, first of all, and yeah, we're gonna do that. I'm gonna take this stuff out. Once you pop your hood, you probably should just look around and clean out debris that you can move easily. And like I said, always wear your gloves. Yeah. So what you're going to find under your hood, guys, is a couple things. Now, there's a couple places of where you can put liquid. You want to make sure that you're not putting your windshield fluid into where your oil is. Now, this is where you put oil. This right here. We don't want to put wiper fluid in there. So you definitely want to look and check and make sure that you're putting your wiper fluid in there. I believe this is where I can check my oil. This is where I check my oil. And there's a couple other places for liquid that you don't want to put your windshield fluid in. So what you're going to look for, guys, are the you're going to look for, let me see if I can get this in here. You see this? Let's see, look at the lighting. Yeah, what you're going to look for is this symbol right here, and that symbol is where you're going to put your wiper fluid. That fluid, that symbol right there. You're going to pop this open, and I have a let me sit you guys up. Okay, I have a funnel. Because I'm on empty, I have a funnel, and as you can see, it's a bit dry. I was totally out of the fluid, so it's a bit dry. So I have a funnel that I'm going to sit my funnel on top of here, and then I'm going to pour my antifreeze. I'll keep on saying antifreeze. It's not antifreeze, guys. You don't want to put your antifreeze, guys, in here. Antifreeze is for your engine. You definitely don't want to do that. I believe one of these lids is for antifreeze, but I'm not going to put antifreeze in my car. So if I make a mistake and say antifreeze, I'm not. That's not what I meant. I'm talking about wiper fluid. And This is the wiper fluid that I'm going to put in my vehicle. It's called Rain-X, and it's a de-icer. And I'm going to take it and just pour it in the funnel. I'm going to fill it up and watch it. Whoa, don't go out too fast. And there's like a little nodule in here, inside here. And what I do is I sit the funnel on top of the nodule and fill it up. Then slowly lift it up so that it doesn't do what it just did. Bubble up. So the nodule again, we're going to put it in there. And then we're going to slowly lift it up. And watch the antifreeze go down. And again, we're going to fill it up. And lift it slowly so that the oil, that the wiper fluid goes down slowly. Okay. I don't know whether or not this is going to take the whole bottle. I believe the last time I filled it up, it did take the whole bottle. So we're going to see how much it takes. Okay guys, this is the end of the video. Just remember, always make sure that you're putting the fluids in the right places. The tops of the lids should give you some direction. So if you like this video guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.